Punzalan.
This is
the true
Justin's
vlogger. I'm just like a pegging vlogger about his like career and what he wants to do in life. Which I think would be fun. Yeah, you say hello, hello, hello. You can do both, I don't care.
Huh?
Like there's
At the same time?
And then get your phone and then take a picture like this is what it looks like.
Okay, that's cool.
Yes. And you just send it to me. So this is like 2 vlogs set up.
This is the view from the camera.
Wait,
right.
let's grab a...
Gotta go inside
wait,
first.
grab a table, grab a table.
You know, this is the first time I'm ever wearing this shirt. I bought it on the first day of school, precisely for the purpose of me wearing it on the culmination day of my life. Bad day for the guy who stepped on that. Oh, they're not done yet.
One hour later.
I realized I didn't do an intro. Hello, hello, hello. It's Nate. So it's Thesis Defense and LS Defense Day. So it's the big day where all the defenses are.
Hello, hello, hello. Oh my god, okay.
But so what just happened?
We just finished defense.
1, 2, 3, smile.
So right now it's 10:06 and that's just the first defense of the day. I had a defense yesterday and then nagpuyat ako last night to prepare for this one. And then I have a defense at 2:30 and it's... I am now with my thesis defense group.
Sobrang cringy ni Nate. Nag-cringe ako every time pinapanood ko videos.
It's the first time I defense in 2 hours, 2:30. Oh, so we always get here, all of us on time. We're here now, except for one person.
Here she comes.
Anong oras na, Kyla?
I have 2 other defenses.
Yeah. Alright. Come back. Say hi to the vlog.
I hate you.
Paano ba siya pumunta po?
One, two, three, go. Haro.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Oh no!
Look who I found. It's an hour until the defense and it's basically the pinaka-culmination day of my whole college life. And what do I have to say about it? I don't know. I'm just really swamped with like all the stress and fatigue. I'm just ready for it to be over, to be honest. I'm on my way to the car now to get my clothes for the defense. Oh, this is it, Pansit. Let's go, Sago. We're ready to go. It's 2:33. We're
not late?
No, they are 3 minutes late. So we're just waiting. Okay, finally it's time to go in. Let's go na. I'll see you when we're done. We're done. Finally. Hello. So we're here in the room. We actually just finished.
Hello.
And these are our panelists.
I'm gonna cry.
1, 2, 3. Bye guys. Bye forever. It's bright. It's very bright. Do you guys know that feeling when you just turned 18 or you finally turned 13 or 21 or some very important rite of passage age pero parang di mo pa nafe-feel? It's kinda like that. Because at this point, I have very few requirements left to submit and it's pretty much over for me, you know. The culmination just happened. Konting extra na lang and I'm done. I don't feel that it's done yet, but I know it is. It's a happy feeling. I am right now on the road waiting for the stoplight on the way to Green Hills, where there is an audition for what some of you guys know as Unashamed Conference. All the musicians from the different victory centers will be there, and Zach is gonna be there, so you're gonna see him in the vlog in a while. If you're new here, especially from that debut video of Janina, welcome to the Punmili. Meron akong natanggap na mga comments from you guys, how to be part of the Punmili, what am I supposed... No. If you are here right now, you are part of the Punmili. Welcome. Dito picture, video to. So today we are at the auditions for Unashamed 2017 Campus Conference. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you want to see.
We would like you to be mindful of your volumes. Let's do overcount the world.
Ano, swish pan tayo? Oh? Ha? Swish pan tayo ulit? Gusto mo? Ay, nako. Huh? Sige, 1, 2, 3. Nakukulangan ka ba ng tela? You want me to buy new pants? Is your pants broken?
I'll get a game.
Oh, ano joke mo? Sige.
He's unashamed in a sentence.
Unashamed in a sentence. Di ko alam. I don't know what.
Unashamed? Unashamed? Unashamed?
Galing! Punmili! Okay, we're done. Nasa Changi kami. And
That's it.
yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the car. I have no idea where we park because I'm just riding with this guy. Sige, switch pan ulit. Sige, switch pan. 1, 2, 3. What if it's salty? Para pag hindi swish? Salty pan? Labo. Punmili. Swish Punmili. Swish Punmili. There it is. Alright, you're gonna drive? Are you going for the shot that I always put? Yeah, okay. Bye. I was gonna, Jackson gave that, but nah. So while waiting right now, while we're waiting, right now we are headed. We are on our way. This should be vlogged. We are on our way. So right now we are about to head to Chloe's house, hang out, and celebrate because I'm finished with my thesis. Before that, we're gonna get some materials for slime. I'm B-rolling your vlog. We're gonna buy materials for slime so we can make slime. We're gonna follow the recipe of Hannah Carlos. Her video is linked down below. If you guys wanna make slime with Filipino ingredients, check that link. Thank you. So we're stopping by Family Mart first. We're gonna eat. Chloe's not yet in her house, so just gonna hang out here, buy slime ingredients. So I'm gonna buy Tosilog. 69 pesos lang, oh, sulit. Alright. Masarap. Yeah. Let's see if this Tosilog is sulit for 69 pesos. We just arrived in Chloe's house. Kian and David are also gonna come. Oh, and JD. And yeah, we're gonna make some slime. So Zach is on the couch watching Kali Vidanes' vlogs. Guess who's here, yo?
Hey, what's up? Yo.
Hey!
So we are currently in Chloe's house.
Without Chloe.
Without Chloe.
And there's Renee.
Say hello to the vlog.
Guys, say hello to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
Yeah,
if you guys wanna see,
I don't vlog.
I don't know what follow Kian. She IG lives too. Hey! Oh, it's JT Valiente.
We're in your house.
May right med ba nito? It looks weird.
It looks like bubble.
I don't know if it's supposed to be like this.
Take the first sample.
So we're gonna reenact those Instagram videos. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Cyclops.
What was I saying exactly?
Alright. We kinda have to go. Bye, yo. Bye! Trying to do that. Hey, what up, yo? It's the next day, and I'm with Ryan. I hope you enjoyed that video. Just a day in my last, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was the culmination. I hope you enjoyed that video. That was my last, Ma? Okay, basta kung magustuhan niyo to, please like it. Actually, like it now. I'll give you a few seconds. Nice. Thank you. Like it, share it, subscribe it, and favorite. And I will be seeing you next time in my non-student life. What? Yeah, I have to go back to actually finishing editing. So keep growing and let's seize the carpe diem together. Bye, guys.
Because I love you, it's ridiculous. I never know